Hey everyone, thanks so much for clicking and hanging out with us today.
Yeah, we appreciate you. I'm Jake Matthews.
And I'm Jenna Matthews. We're here every day with real English conversations.
If you're enjoying this, just subscribe. Helps us keep making daily videos for you.
Okay, Jake, today we're talking about something really important: how to make friends.
This is such a good topic. Making friends as an adult is actually really hard.
Right? When you're a kid, it's so easy. You just play with someone and boom, you're friends.
Yeah, you like dinosaurs? I like dinosaurs. Best friends.
Exactly, but as adults, it's way more complicated.
Why do you think that is?
I think everyone's busier. People have jobs, families, responsibilities.
And everyone's more guarded. Like, as a kid, you trust everyone. As an adult, you're more careful.
True, you can't just walk up to someone and say, "Want to be friends?"
That would be weird.
So weird. But honestly, maybe it shouldn't be.
What do you mean?
Like, why is it weird to be direct about wanting friendship? We should normalize that.
I see your point, but I'd still feel awkward doing it.
What about you guys? Would you directly tell someone you want to be friends? Comment.
Okay, so let's talk real strategies. How do you make friends as an adult?
I think the first step is putting yourself in social situations.
Yes, you can't make friends sitting at home alone.
Right. Join clubs, take classes, go to events, say yes to invitations.
Basically, you have to show up to life.
Yes, show up, be present, be available.
What about online friends? Does that count?
That's interesting. What do you think, Jake?
I think online friends are real friends. Some of my closest friends I met online.
Really? Tell me more.
Yeah, through gaming, social media, forums, we talk every day, support each other, share our lives.
So, even though you haven't met in person?
Right, I mean, we video chat, we message constantly. It feels real to me.
Okay, I respect that. I guess friendship is about connection, not just physical presence.
Exactly. Especially now, with technology, distance doesn't matter as much.
Okay, so let's say you're in a social situation. How do you actually start a friendship?
Small talk. You have to break the ice somehow.
Ugh, I hate small talk though.
Everyone says that, but it's necessary.
Why? Why can't we just have deep conversations immediately?
Because you need to build trust first. You can't just trauma dump on a stranger.
Fair point. Okay, so what's good small talk?
Weather, what brought you here, what you do, hobbies, recent movies or shows.
Boring.
It's not about being exciting, it's about finding common ground.
Okay, so you small talk to find things in common.
Yes. Oh, you like hiking? Me too. We should go together sometime.
And that's how you transition to actual friendship.
Exactly. Small talk is just the gateway.
Are you guys good at small talk, or do you struggle like me? Let us know.
Jenna, how did you make your closest friends?
Mostly through work or shared activities, like we spent time together naturally and became close.
Proximity and repeated exposure. That's actually a psychology thing.
Really?
Yeah, the more you see someone, the more you tend to like them. It's called the mere exposure effect.
Impressed. Look at you being all smart.
I read sometimes.
Sometimes.
Hey,
Okay, so being around people regularly helps. What else?
I think you have to be genuinely interested in people.
Yes, ask questions, listen, care about their answers.
People love talking about themselves. If you're a good listener, they'll like you.
But you can't fake it. It has to be genuine interest.
Right, people can tell when you're just being polite versus actually caring.
What about vulnerability? Do you think that's important in friendship?
Huge. Friendship requires vulnerability.
Right? You can't be real friends if you're always surface level.
Exactly. You have to share things, be open, show your real self.
But that's scary.
It is, because you risk rejection, but that's how deep friendships form.
And that's why it's hard to make friends as adults. Everyone's afraid to be vulnerable.
We're all wearing masks, protecting ourselves, being careful.
And no one makes the first move to be real.
So guys, maybe try being more open with people. Someone has to go first.
Jake, what about maintaining friendships? Making friends is one thing, keeping them is another.
Oh man, yes, I'm terrible at this.
Why?
I just get busy and forget to reach out. Then months pass and it's awkward.
Same. I have friends I haven't talked to in a year,
And then you think, it's been so long, they probably don't want to hear from me.
but they probably feel the same way.
True, so we're both waiting for the other person.
Just reach out, send a text. Hey, been thinking about you.
You're right, I should do that today.
Yes, and guys watching, reach out to an old friend today. They'll probably be happy to hear from you.
Okay, so what about frequency? How often should you talk to friends?
That's hard because everyone's different.
Right, some friendships are daily texts, some are once a month catch ups.
And both are valid. It's about quality, not quantity.
Exactly. I have friends I talk to once a year, but when we do, it's like no time passed.
Those are the best friendships. No pressure, just genuine connection.
Jenna, what makes a good friend in your opinion?
Mostly someone who's there when you need them, someone who's honest even when it's hard.
Someone who celebrates your wins and supports you through losses.
Yes, and someone who accepts you as you are.
No judgment, no trying to change you.
Exactly. Just acceptance and love.
You know, I think we expect too much from friendships sometimes.
What do you mean?
Like, we want one friend to be everything fun, supportive, available 24/7, shares all our interests.
Right, but maybe you need different friends for different things.
Exactly. Gym friend, work friend, deep conversation friend, party friend.
And that's totally okay. No one person can be everything.
Do you guys agree, or do you want one best friend who's everything? Comment.
What about toxic friendships? Should we talk about that?
Yes, that's important.
Honestly, sometimes you have to let friendships go if they're not healthy.
Right. If someone's constantly negative, draining your energy, using you,
Or talking bad about you behind your back, being competitive in a bad way.
those aren't real friends. Let them go.
It's hard though, especially long-time friendships.
I know, but you have to prioritize your peace.
Your mental health matters more than keeping a toxic friend.
Okay, so let's wrap up with practical tips. How to make friends. Go.
Put yourself out there, join groups, say yes to invitations.
Be genuinely interested in people. Ask questions. Listen. Care about their answers.
Be vulnerable, share real things about yourself.
Next, follow up. If you connect with someone, reach out again.
Be consistent, show up, stay in touch.
And be yourself. The right people will appreciate the real you.
Guys, making friends takes effort, but it's so worth it.
Don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Everyone wants connection.
And hey, we're here every day. Subscribe and learn English while thinking about life.
Yeah, just hit that button. Daily conversations, daily topics.
Thank you so much for watching. Now go make a friend today.
Or reach out to an old one.
Life's better with friends. Don't do it alone.
See you tomorrow with another conversation.